reason I choose UK because we got more industrial placements, and UK is also known as mother of startups businesses, right? So my main aim that I need to go back to India, then I would be starting my own business, own startup. It's a software powerhouse. The reason I came here, in our country we get a theory and practical both. Here the education mostly based on practical basis. So as long as I work on theory and my own thesis, and I also get an industrial experience over here with a real-time environment. So this is the reason I chose UK. Actually, we are really new to the university, and my age is, when I came here, I am 18 plus, that's it. I got no proper knowledge about how university works and how assignments, how plagiarism works. I really don't know. Study group teaches us everything. Like if you have any doubt, you can contact the tutor, and they engage with you with a one-to-one session, online, offline, anything. So they teach me everything, and like a spoon feeding type. So when you go to the university, you will be learning like this, and you are here right now. You need to concentrate on these things, then you can improve yourself and you can work on the university. This is the reason I chose the study group. Now I'm working on my placement here. So it's a 1-year placement, 12 months. So I work as a programmer and analyst over there. So after this placement year, I would be going to my year 3. It's my computer science year 3. Then after this, I would be applying for a job. Then this placement year will really add up my resume, and people and the hiring will say, okay, he can work it like this, he got experience and he can do his better.